Welcome back, friends. Now let's learn some basics of HTML. So far, you have learned about the World Wide Web, introduction to HTML, and some basic styles. Moreover, you created your very first simple web page. In this lesson, in next few videos, you will learn about each of the basic HTML tags in more depth and begin writing your web pages. The objective of this particular lesson will be focused on HTML tags like or tags for overall page structure, the HTML, head and body tags, and finally the title tag as well. Let's go. HTML defines three tags that are used to define the page's overall structure and provide some simple header information. These three tags, the HTML, the head, and the body, make up the basic skeleton of every web page. They also provide simple information about the page, such as the title or author, etc., before loading the entire web page. The page structure tags don't really affect what the page looks like when it is displayed on the browser. They're only there to help the browsers to understand. Now, the document type or the doc type identifier is not a page structure tag. The HTML5 standards impose an additional requirement on your web pages. The first line of each page must include a doc type identifier that defines the HTML version to which your page conforms, and in some cases the document type definition, which is nothing but DTD, that defines a specification. This is followed by HTML tag and then head and the body tags. In the example given, which you see on the screen, the HTML5 doc type or document type appears before the page structure tags. All the text and HTML elements in your web page should be placed within the beginning and ending HTML tags like the one displayed on your screen. The first page structure tag in every HTML page is the HTML tag. It indicates that the contents of this file is in the HTML language. The HTML tag should immediately follow the doc type identifier. The HTML tag serves as a container for all the tags that make up the page. Now, let's talk about head tag. The head tag is a container for the tags that contain information about the page. Only a few tags are used inside the head portion of the page, mostly the page title. You'll learn about the title tag later in the videos. Make sure that you don't put any of the text which you are expecting to see on the page into the header tag, that is between the head tags specifically. An example here on how you can properly use the head tag. Please see the screen and you can see that how the head tag is being used here. Now, the content of your HTML page represented in the example given on the screen, which says with the content that your page contains resides within the body tag, right? So we are talking about nothing but the body tag now. This includes all the text and other contents. You may have some links or you may have some pictures, any sort of media files you can put inside the body, right? You can see here the tags are nested. That's something interesting, right? So both opening body and the closing body tag goes inside the HTML tags, and the same goes with the head tags as well. All the HTML tags works in this way, forming individual nested sections of the text. Please be careful that you don't mess around or overlap these tags, which will spoil the structure of the HTML page. whenever you close an HTML tag, make sure that you're closing the most recent unclosed tag. Cool. Now finally, let's talk a little bit about the title tag, as I promised in the beginning of this video. Each HTML tag, or rather I would say each HTML page, needs a title to indicate what the page describes. It appears in the title bar of the browser. When you open a browser, you see on the top left corner the title of the page what you're opening, right? Say for example google.com, you would see that Google there. So this is nothing but what you see on the browser when people view the web page. The title is stored in your browser's bookmarks. If you want to save that and come back to that page again, you probably save it as a bookmark, right? So whatever is the title which is being displayed or written in the HTML code is something which would be the name, unless you really want to change it, right? In search engines, when they are, search engine also uses this pretty much, right? So when they index your pages, so use the title tag to give a page title, and the title tags are placed within the head tag and normally used to describe the contents of the page. So pretty much what that page is talking about, that's what you will give a title for that page, right? All right, that's all for now in this session, and thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Have a nice day.